All right, hello and welcome students. Myself Kumar Saurabh. I'm your critical reasoning faculty and today I am present in front of you with critical reasoning practice sheet number 4. What we are going to do, you already know what we are going to do. We are going to read the passage first of all in brief, of course, and after that we'll try to solve all the questions based on it and we'll see how it goes. Okay, let's start without wasting any more time. Okay, so the passage goes like this. Over the weekend, there was no new death from coronavirus in London, Scotland or Northern Ireland. 3 जगहों के बारे में बताया गया कि यहाँ पे ज्यादा कोई डेथ हुई नहीं है, कोई नई डेथ्स नहीं हुई है. Slowly the number of hospitalizations and deaths is falling across the UK. Rather than celebrating these early signs that the worst of the pandemic could be behind us, however, some scientists are warning for a second wave of infection. Now these are the kind of lines which are self-explanatory in nature. I don't think I need to give any more time in explaining these things. An increase in coronavirus cases in the coming weeks or months, which could occur even after a sustained fall in the number of cases. Increase हो सकता है, even though अभी at this moment cases कम हैं. These warnings often refer back to the 1918 flu pandemic. That outbreak killed tens of millions of people when it returned the following winter in a deadlier form after the first outbreak had been controlled. But there's a confusing lack of consensus from the scientists about whether we'll see a second wave of coronavirus cases. Although the future is uncertain, we can imagine 4 scenarios for what might come next. उन 4 scenarios के बारे में यहाँ पे कुछ mention नहीं किया गया है. So we don't need to run our minds in that direction. Okay. काफी इजी सा पैसेज था. बताया गया यहाँ पे 3 जगहों का नाम लिया गया, स्कॉटलैंड, लंदन एंड नॉर्दर्न आयरलैंड. ये बोला गया कि यहाँ पे कोई नई डेथ्स नहीं हुई है कोरोना वायरस से. हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन का जो नंबर है वो भी कम होता जा रहा है, लेकिन हमें जश्न मनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. हमें इस बात पे ध्यान देना होगा जिस बात पे साइंटिस्ट कह रहे हैं कि एक सेकेंड वेव भी आ सकता है और वो काफी डेडली होगा. फ्लू पैंडेमिक 1918 का उसका रेफरेंस दिया गया कि पहला वेव आया गया, दूसरा जो आया वो काफी डेडली था. और साथ ही साथ ये बोल के कंक्लूड कर दिया गया कि एक कंफ्यूजन का माहौल है, कोई कंसेंसस नहीं है साइंटिस्ट के बीच में कि आएगा सेकेंड वेव या नहीं आएगा. और बोला गया कि 4 सिनेरियोज को हमें ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा, बट उन सिनेरियोज के बारे में बात नहीं की गई. दैट वुड बी इट फॉर द पैसेज. नाउ बेस्ड ऑन दैट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, out of the following options, which one captures the central idea of the passage? Which one captures the central idea of the passage? The right answer is going to be D, which says, is the worst of the pandemic behind us? It is very clear from the passage that you just read. It was a very easy passage और इसी चीज का apprehension passage में था भी. Then second, out of the following options, which one is an appropriate logical corollary to the given passage? अब ये corollary क्या होता है? अब अगर कोई set principle already है जो कि proved है, और तो corollary basically वो चीज होती है जो कि हम लोग एक set proved principle के basis पे derive कर सकते हैं. तो वो क्या है यहाँ पे? So in question number 2, the right answer is going to be B, which says one hypothesis is that coronavirus could grow weaker as it spreads. Very easy. Then third question, in the light of the passage, it can be inferred that. क्या infer कर सकते हैं हम लोग? The right answer here is going to be A. Scientists often make predictions based on previous data. Okay. B says scientists should not be trusted at all. No, this is not the inference. This is not something which we can infer. C, scientists are befooling people. No. D, scientists often behave childishly while analyzing data. No, the right answer is A. Then on to question number 4. The author of the passage is most likely to agree with which of the following? Okay. Which of the following? I think the right answer is going to be A. Scientists should think alike. B says scientists should put in more effort in research. No, not this. Within the scientific community, not everybody thinks the same. Within the academic community, everyone is not on the same page. No, A is going to be the right one. That scientists should think alike. Why? Because scientists are those people who say things or who try to do things scientifically based on data. तो जब डेटा पे और साइंटिफिक तरीकों से, साइंटिफिक टेम्पर और रीजन के साथ आप काम करते हो तो ऑफ कोर्स थिंकिंग सबकी अलाइक होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. Then last question of this passage, it goes like, in the light of the passage it can be inferred that. Here the right answer is going to be, let's see all the options first. A, the UK is one of the pandemic affected countries. B, the healthcare of the UK is in a very pitiable state. No, this will not be the right one. C, the political masters in the UK need to revamp the healthcare system. Again, this is not something which we are concerned with as far as the passage is concerned. D, other countries should take a cue from the UK regarding its treatment of COVID-19 patients. Again, this is not something which we are concerned with as far as this passage goes. So the right answer here is going to be A. Okay, so with this the passage is complete, all the answers are done, and I hope that you guys have understood everything that I tried to discuss. So I'll conclude. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep on watching all the videos which we upload daily on our channel of CLAT Gurukul. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Take very good care of yourself.